Okay guys, so welcome to yet another video on Wind vs Droid. Here we have a new package from Amazon, as you can see. So let's see what's inside. So inside the box we have this new Orpat electric kettle. It's 1350 watts, model number OEK-8147. These are the features. It is cordless. It has an indicator light. It has spout, and it has a wide mouth, so it can be cleaned easily. That's one of the main reasons I purchased this. Here's a features list. It's 1 liter capacity, stainless steel body, overheat and boil dry protection, automatic cutoff, and a lot of things. It has 1 year warranty. The MRP is 1075 and I paid around ₹929 for this thing. It's black color, and that's it. Now let's check what's inside. So you get the kettle itself and instruction manual. Would need this for the first time users. So this is the base with the heating element, I guess, or maybe not. And the wire is around maybe half a meter in length, not too long. So you would need to use this standing next to a very near to a plug. And this is the kettle itself. Here you have on-off switch, Orpat branding, indicator, spout, nice handle here. You need to press these two and then open it. So this is how it would look from inside. And how you need to use this is that you need to place it on this base, then put this plug and then turn this thing on from here, and it would boil your water or whatever it's inside. You can also prepare Maggi, and if you're extremely careful, then you can also maybe boil milk inside this. But generally I would not suggest using milk with this, because it might damage both the milk as well as this kettle. It's not made for that application. It's only for boiling water. So that's how it looks. This is the instruction manual. Some instructions provided, which I would definitely read before using this. So that's it guys for the unboxing. In case you are planning to purchase this, then do use my links provided in the description. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. So thank you for watching and have a nice day.